Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive notifications from Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account button at the top right corner and using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page where you will see all of your postings that you have made. Now click on the Craigslist button at the top left corner to go back into the original home page, and now you can simply start looking for various items that you want to buy or sell. Now when you look for any item or start a search, you can click on the Save button at the top right corner and this will save your search. Now once you are taken into your search tab, you will find the alert menu at the very beginning. You can simply click on the checkbox which says off and this will turn on the notification for that particular search. You can search for any kind of object and make your search as particular as you wish, and then you can simply click on the Save button and turn on the alert, and anytime an item is available in that category, you will receive a notification. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on notification alerts on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone.